Okay, so my kale is cooking. I just put my kale in there. I'm going to add my tomatoes. Cut up my tomatoes in there. And I'll just mix it up. You know, most of the time, people, I have kale. I eat kale maybe 2-3 times or 4 times a week, more than that actually. Because when you have it in your garden, whenever you feel like you want some, just go get some. You know, for you who doesn't know that I do grow my own kale, I've got a video showing my garden this year, how it's doing good. My kale came back. It's like perennial kale. I like this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna continue stirring it up and let it cook for a little bit and add my salt, of course. I'll add a little bit of pepper and let it cook probably for another 3 minutes or so, and it will be done. I'll be right back. Okay, our kale is cooking. It just depends how well you want it to be done. Every day I cook it a little bit different, depending with what I'm eating it. I'm not putting the fan up here because it's gonna make noise for you guys. That's why the steam is too much going on. Okay, the kale is done. This is kale, and I put tomatoes in it and chili powder. So I'm going to eat it, but there's our kale. Easy to make, so easy. You know, you don't have to add tomatoes to it. Sometimes I just cook it by itself. But it's delicious, people. This is good. Some good kale. I love it. When the stalks are still tender, I don't cut them off. I just cut them real small. Love it. There's our kale. Yum, 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 yum. Beautiful kale. Love it.